thank you for being here and watching this video. I hope you like it and you find it helpful. Since summer is coming, I thought it would be a good idea to make a video about sleeveless tops, which is what I usually use the most. Into the video, I tried a lot of different types. Some suit me, some don't, and I just want you to check every style that is possible that I found, and maybe it can help you to find the perfect top for you. So yeah, let's go.
So let's start with a basic spaghetti strap top. As you can see, these have a very squarish shape and I don't find it the most flattering, but if you're going to use this, I recommend that you might opt for a looser bottom that help you create the hourglass. This is a very similar one, but in the front you can see that the neck, it has some curves that emphasizes your own curves, and even though it is white and might make you look wider, I think it is better. This is kind of the same shape but with a more bold color as black. One thing I like about this top is that it covers the armpit zone and it is not that low, so I think it helps you balance your shoulders more than the straight spaghetti, regular spaghetti top. And one thing I recommend is that you make sure that it is very close to your actual body lines. I've seen a lot of people recommending using wider straps, but from what you can also see here, I don't find it very flattering. I feel uncomfortable wearing this because it makes me look wider from my perspective, obviously, and it is comfortable, yes, but if you're not comfortable in this, maybe you should avoid using it. This is another version of the same kind of shape. Yeah, this is a spoon neck, but I think the color is better. Please forgive me for not owning an iron. This is actually something interesting because I don't like to accentuate the shoulders, but even though I think this top does it, it doesn't look bad because I think it has the V neck, the V-shaped neck, and it also, even though it is a little bit wide, it's not that wide, so it embraces your curves. If you don't want to show that much, maybe this is a safer option for you. I like that this top ends where my arm begins. I find it really nice, and also since it's not that loose, it makes me emphasize my waist. This top has a higher neckline. I don't think it is the most flattering, but if you like this style, maybe it would be better to choose something that is not that busy, like with that thing in the middle. So the DP is the most recommended style for this body shape, but it depends on if you are comfortable wearing this. I think it is flattering, but depends on you. And this is kind of the same. I like this one better because even though it has a deep V, it has a detail on the underarm area that I really like. Talking about different shapes, here is a halter top. Even though it is not recommended for a body type, I think that it doesn't emphasize the shoulders in a bad way. I kind of like it. Maybe it would be better if it was a little bit tired, but overall I find it kind of nice in my body type if I pair it with some looser pants. If you're trying to wear more specific pieces on the top, I really like this kind of style. It is not maybe the most flattering, but it makes me happy because it's fun and it actually has some, bending on the right places. So that's something you need to experiment with, I think. This is a double warning. If you're going to wear something with a pattern, make sure you love the pattern. And secondly, if you're going to wear this kind of shape, make sure it ends where it should. In summer, I actually hate to be wearing tight stuff, and I really like these flowy tops, but I don't find this one the most flattering because it doesn't have shape and it's kind of oversized, so I think maybe this is a better option. It is tapered on the upper part, but when it goes down, it makes the illusion of the cut on the waist. I really liked it, and it is very comfortable. So Peplum is another recommended shape, but you need to find the right fit. This one, it's not flattering because it doesn't end, there. It should be going until your waist. Kind of like this one. This one is longer. I don't think it's the best one, but it's better than the one before. It ends where it should and it helps your waist look more defined. This top I love it. It has everything. It has the deep V, it has peplum, and it is flowy and comfortable. So what more can I ask for? Asymmetric figures are also very recommended, but you need to experiment and find the right style for you. For example, ruffles is something that I don't usually use because they made me look wider on the top, but in this kind of style I think it's very, very nice. And if this looser figure is not for you, maybe this one is. I like how this looks. Maybe here it makes me look shorter than I am, but with a monochromatic look I think it looks really, really nice and I love it.
Okay everyone, that's all. I really hope you like this video and you find it helpful to maybe find some inspiration about some tops that you would like to wear. I just hope you like this video and thank you for watching, and maybe next time I will be doing another video about tops but not sleeveless ones, or maybe dresses. I love dresses. Yeah. Okay, let me know in the comments if you would like to see any other type of clothing, or maybe I don't know, did you like any of these tops?